So, have you had many Facebook violations and you don't know what to do? That's what happened to me. I didn't know what to do with my Facebook violations because I've been having violations for since 2023. I've been having a lot of violations and I've really posted a lot of videos, like maybe 500 videos, and of all those videos I started getting alerts. Like maybe I had about how many alerts did I have? I think I had about over 100 alerts, more than 100, maybe more than that, alerts. So when Facebook changed their monetization, I knew that I had to do something because it kept telling me that if I that I would be unmonetized very soon. So I knew I had to change something, but I didn't know how to do it. I said, "What? How do I fix this um, Facebook policy violations?" I couldn't put my finger on where the violations was. I was like, "Where is the violation?" And I couldn't put my finger on it. I knew that there were some videos that have I've been getting alerts, but some of them I was just ignoring. And also, I didn't know where the alerts were going because you get too many alerts. If you do a lot of reels and you use the music, there was always an alert. It asks you, do you? Most of the alerts asks you, do you want to agree with them, or do you want to delete the video, or do you want to dispute? So I went on YouTube and started trying to investigate what can I do? What can I do to make sure that these violations are taken out? Because it looks like Facebook, actually, my Facebook has not been. I mean, it kept telling me I didn't have violations, but I didn't have violations, but I had violations that did not allow me to get monetized in some areas like which one? In-stream ads. The rest, it let me get away with it. So I was on the bonus program, and of course I was making money out of that. But my videos were not being pushed. I knew it's because of violations, but I did not want to delete my videos. I was like, I don't know where this and some people were like, as long as you say you agree or you dispute, you're good. I couldn't dispute because those were not my videos, but I was agreeing with whatever they wanted to do with it. The reason why, after investigating, I realized that these violations, it is better to delete them because a lot of people, musicians who have agreements with Facebook, they change their mind. They decide they don't want to do to give their rights to music to certain areas, or sometimes their agreement with Facebook ends. So Facebook keeps on set. That's why you get. I had alerts for one video. I had 13 alerts, meaning that there was changes and changes and changes on those music rights. So I went to try and delete them. I was too tired of deleting them. I was like, that was about a few months ago. I said I'm gonna delete these videos. Then some I was also didn't want to delete some of the videos because I loved them. But then when the monetization changed, I said I need to figure out if I want to make money, because I've decided I want to make money on Facebook. I have to delete those videos because the new monetization, in-stream ads, I don't have that yet, but I'm trying to get there. But it kept telling me the only thing left for me is to they can't monetize my videos. They can monetize my reels, and they can monetize my posts and text posts, but they can't monetize my videos because of violations. And most money, most people say they make from their long videos, from their lives. So me, I can't make my videos from my lives, you know. And the reason why I don't do lives is because I like music on my lives. And when Facebook started saying I can't play music on my lives, I kind of stopped doing a lot of lives. So now I have to figure out how to do talk like this. That's why I have this microphone so I can do this. But anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to remove those violations, because the only way is to start deleting your videos. You just have to delete until me. Let me tell you what happened. I deleted like maybe 30 videos, and there was still some that were open, that was like about, I don't know how many. And all of a sudden, after deleting about 30, it told me no more violations. So it was one video, because those alerts doesn't necessarily mean that you're in violation. You know, even though there's music rights, some of them doesn't mean that you're in violation. Or if the violation is there, the violation does not affect you. Some violations don't affect you. So me, I couldn't figure out which one affected me. So I had to start just deleting. I was ready to delete all the, I don't know if there were 50, 60, 70 videos that were still open. And I was like, I gotta delete this. There's just no way that I'm going to not be to monetized, because lately I've been feeling like with this new program I may make more money than I was making with the bonus program. That's what I'm thinking, because now there you make money with texts, you make money with the pictures. If you post pictures, you can make money, you know. So I was like, man, this is the time I may be able to make money from Facebook. So the first thing you do is that when you go on your profile, you click your picture down there, you know, and it takes you to where you know, you see you see like me, I see Lillian Stevens up there. I see my shortcuts. There's friends. There's professional board. You scroll down. You know. Let me see here. You scroll down. Now, you scroll down all the way to down there. You see? You scroll down. Now, it says support, help and support. You click help and support. Once you click help and support, you click support box. Now, once you click support box, you will see you'll see alerts. Once you see the alerts, you'll see all your violations. You'll see all the videos that you have in violations, you know. And once you click those videos that you are in violations, you know, there's many. For me, I had many, you know. So once you click that, you see your video has new copyright updates, review your video. So I started from the ones at the bottom first, you know. I started from the ones at the bottom. Then, you know, I looked at most of the videos, you know, and these are videos that I'd like to keep, because the ones you do, so it says accept changes, submit dispute, or remove video. I just went and just started deleting. Oh, sorry, sorry guys. I just started deleting videos. You see, I just deleted that one, and then I go to the next video, you know. There you go. Oh, I love that video, let me tell you. But those are pictures and videos that I make, so I'm not really worried, you know, that I'm gonna lose the video. There are changes to your video, as it says up there. So I click it, you know. I'm just looking at the videos now. I'm trying to see which ones to delete because there's so many. You see, I scroll down to the one that this video was made like January. So I'm like, let me start with this January videos. There are changes to your video because of your copyright match, you know, and then I go remove video. I don't dispute. I was just going. Removed, you know. Then I didn't know how to go back, you know, so I just pressed the back button. You know, there I go again, go choose another video. Here I am choosing another video again so that I could delete, you know. And at this time, I'm just deleting. Like this is a video I did in May. It also has music rights match, so I'm just going ahead and deleting it. You know, it's a video I love, but I'm like right now, you know, the reason why it's doing this is some locations have changed. You know, this there's a lot that Facebook is dealing with, and they're also confused. Facebook is also confused, you know. They're also confused with this, you know, because it's like accept changes, submit dispute. I'm removing this video. As you can see, I'm just removing this video. I'm kind of like, it's done. And you can read this yourself, you know. And then would you like to do accept changes, remove, delete? At this point, I'm just deleting. I'm just like, I'm not, I need my money. If this is what's making me not make money, I keep going back to my news feed, start over again. You know? Yeah, there was an error. That one was already removed. So, you know, the video has new copyright. I'm scrolling through, just still scrolling through to see, you know, just scrolling through still. Scrolling through still. You see how hard? You better not let this copyright matches. You might as well. Look, this was a long video, but I played a whole song, so I knew this could be also one of them. So of course, it's going. And the sad thing about this video here is that I didn't even save it, you know, but I was like, it's gotta go, remove, and it's being removed. I'm telling you, I'm feeling like this is how I was feeling that when I was making removing these videos. I'm like, you know, some of them I have. How many times do people go back and watch videos that were made 19 Guinene, 1903? So you see how many? Do you see how many videos? Do you see how many videos I had? So basically, that's it. So that's it. Let me tell you, my advice to you is to remove the videos that you think are in violation. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I don't even think I'll use any more music videos because even if you're going to be sharing revenue, what is sharing 2 cents or sharing 50 cents? It's gone. So I'm feeling like I'm just going to try and be original, make my own stuff, make my own videos like this one, and make money because I'm also trying to grow my YouTube. So I'm going to kind of try and do both, you know? So that's where we are right now, okay? I hope this helps. I know that it was jumbled up because I'm just trying now a new thing, new system, new ways of putting this. It's late at night. It's like 12 o'clock. I'm a night owl because I work at night. You can tell. This is my workstation. So anyways, I hope this helped. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, which I have more than one YouTube channel, by the way, and I'm gonna have more. There is no limit to how many YouTube channels you have. One of my YouTube channels, which is a Deeper, has really changed now. I changed it more to a reaction video YouTube channel. So my new YouTube channel that I'm going to be posting this is Late Night with a Lily. It's a new YouTube channel. Let me tell you, if I can, one of my YouTube channels is going to hit and it's going to be monetized. And I still don't know which one. So I'm not even trying to choose. Just like Ogina Obina, he has like 20 different YouTube channels. I'm going to have 20 if I have to for each hobby. I have KW Steve Ministries. I do the church one. I do the church YouTube. I do which one? I do a Lily Bold. I do Late Night with a Lily. I do a Deeper, and more and more and more and more. Let me tell you, I thank God for giving me, blessing me with being able to every day to do what I'm doing because I love doing it. So I hope you enjoyed my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And I hope you enjoy it. This video is raw as it can get. It's not perfect, but wait, give me a few days because this is my first one. Hey, grow with me. I'm telling you, grow with me. Make mistakes with me. I'll teach you. Tell me what you want to learn. Comment there what you want to learn. I'm good at stuff, by the way. I'm good at advertising. I'm good at whatever. If you want to know, I'll do a video. Thank you.